One of the nation's largest auto dealerships out with its quarterly results earlier this morning. Group 1 Automotive beating the street's expectations, both on the top and the bottom lines. Joining us right now for an exclusive interview is Daryl Kenningham, Group 1 Automotive's president and CEO. And Daryl, congratulations and thanks for being with us today.
Thank you so much, Becky. Pleasure to be here.
So talk to us a little bit about what you're seeing in the industry right now. It seems as if prices might actually be starting to come down, both for used and new cars.
We're seeing prices come down a bit on the new car side, for sure. And some of that is related to the OEMs and their support in the marketplace. On the used side, pricing is still fairly firm because there's a shortage of pre-owned vehicles in the market, and that's putting a bit of a floor under pricing on the used side. But yeah, there's some more competition for sure. You're seeing a little bit of pressure on gross profits on the new car side as a result.
The average, though, is still incredibly high. Average transaction price for a used car, $29,000. Average transaction price for a new vehicle, $51,000. You have to wonder how consumers are feeling about that, especially with interest rates higher today. Is that an impediment to getting people into cars?
Well, where we're certainly seeing it is in the lower end of the market with cheaper used cars and lower priced new cars. There's more competition for that, and we're certainly seeing that. You're also seeing our OEM partners support their vehicles with subvened interest rate programs and things like that, as well as some of the large banks. The same way, you're seeing leasing come back to some degree, which has been largely non-existent for the last 3 years. So you're seeing more levers being pulled to try to make the affordability story a little bit better. But it's no secret, vehicles are more expensive. The truck mix, SUV mix is as high as it's ever been, and the content in the vehicles is as high as it's ever been. A lot of technology in the vehicles these days as well.
Hey, Daryl, Tesla shares are up this morning after the company came out with its earnings last night. It's not because of what happened in the last quarter. It's about hopes for the future. Tesla sales were actually down, and Tesla is the best of the bunch when it comes to the EVs. What do you see just in terms of consumer demand, consumer desire for an electric vehicle?
You know, EV is a challenge these days, and I think you saw in the Tesla results. The thing that we like is the legacy OEMs have optionality on powertrains, and you're seeing hybrid vehicles are the hottest thing in the market right now. Our day supply on hybrid vehicles is the lowest of any powertrain we have, and EV is the highest day supply that we have across the board. The good thing about the legacy OEMs is they have the production flexibility to move between those powertrains as consumer demand warrants. So. Yeah, we obviously follow Tesla very closely. They do a lot of things really, really well, and but that's something that I think the legacy OEMs have as an advantage right now, and I think probably for the foreseeable future as the transition to alternative powertrains continues.